Good evening, this is Meteorologist Colleen Peterson. The rain is starting to pick up in Kentuckiana. We do have a threat of seeing some strong wind gusts out there throughout the day tomorrow, especially tomorrow afternoon. I'm going to break down everything that you need to know, but first I'm going to double check to make sure that we have sound. And we do. All right, so good evening. I hope you had a great weekend. We had an active week last week, and we're actually going to see an even more active pattern as we head throughout this week and especially next Monday. So we have multiple systems that we're tracking. This is the first one. You can see that it's starting to enter Kentucky and Tennessee. We're starting to see some of that heavy rain out there. Right now in the metro, just seeing a few drizzles out there, but mainly the heavier showers are situated over Corydon, Brandenburg, English communities, Hardinsburg. Pretty light in nature. We'll continue to see the widespread light showers here for the next 12 hours and pockets of heavy downpours. So this is going to be pretty consistent. We will pick up some decent rain here, around maybe an inch to 2 inches in some spots. So that low pressure system has actually moved off to the farther east right there. That's where that low pressure system is. We're seeing snow showers off into the upper plains. But it looks like for us, we're mainly going to see rain tonight into tomorrow. But tomorrow night, that's our opportunity of maybe seeing a few light snow showers out there. Stronger storms out to the south across the Gulf Coast. Thankfully for us here in Kentucky and Tennessee, our environment is too stable to see anything strong. This is just going to be wind. But with the rain, we will see some strong wind gusts out there. So there is a wind advisory in effect tomorrow afternoon throughout 7 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. Wind advisory, going to see wind gusts up to 30, 40, maybe even 45, 50 mile per hour winds throughout the day tomorrow. This is ambient wind, not associated with a thunderstorm. This is a low-level jet going to be picking up tomorrow afternoon. So our main focus is definitely going to be the wind and the heavy rain that is in that forecast. So tomorrow afternoon around 4 o'clock, this is the futurecast for wind gusts. Could see wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour south of Louisville, 30 miles per hour here around Louisville, and the farther north you go into Indiana, the weaker winds that you're going to find. So tomorrow afternoon, it's definitely going to peak around 3 to 5 p.m. And then by the time we head towards Wednesday morning, the wind will start to back down and taper off into the around 25 miles per hour. So let's go ahead and time everything out. Right now, we are seeing some scattered showers. That forecast model has done pretty well with where the rain is right now, around 10:30 p.m. We'll continue to see that rain pick itself up throughout the morning tomorrow. So widespread rain overnight tonight, pretty consistent, and then we'll have a second wave right behind it that's pretty widespread. So consistent rainfall through tomorrow morning. By the afternoon tomorrow, this is what the forecast is showing. Few and far in between, more scattered in nature, not as widespread with the showers, but the wind will definitely be at its highest at this point. So scattered showers with high wind gusts tomorrow afternoon. Notice our temperatures are going to be in the low 50s and mid to upper 40s. Now this is when it's going to start to transition into some light snow showers, some more winter weather. Really going to be the least impactful element of this system is the snow. We're really concerned with the rain and the wind. We could see some light snow showers. In fact, forecast models showing it likely. We could see it accumulate in some spots, but minor accumulation, 1/10 of an inch, maybe up to a 1/2 inch in some spots that happen to get a decent snow shower. So that'll be the impact 9 p.m. till 5 a.m. on Wednesday morning, and then we'll start to clear it all out by 7 o'clock on Wednesday. So on the topic of snow, the accumulation is going to be pretty minor. Some spots may pick up a 1/2 inch. Regardless, the roads are going to be wet. This isn't really going to impact too much travel. We could see maybe a few icy spots with temperatures below freezing early Wednesday morning and the roads being wet. But other than that, wet roads is going to be the main impact, and the wind and rain. So 1 to 2 inches accumulation of rain that we could see here in Louisville. Areas could be higher if they happen to get more of the downpours and heavier rain showers. So overall, it's going to be a rain and wind system Right now, here's that live view over downtown Louisville. It is 9:52 p.m. We are seeing some scattered showers out there. But once we head towards Wednesday afternoon, things are going to start to die down. Right now, temperatures are in the low 40s. We have a very active weather pattern ahead tonight through tomorrow. We'll have rain and wind transitioning to some light snow showers. Now, round number 2, system number 2 will be Friday through Saturday, where we will see rain, and then a similar scenario where it transitions to some light snow showers. But I think the most impactful system will be the beginning of next week, Monday to Tuesday, that highest chance of seeing snow. You could see long-range models definitely shows it happening here across the Midwest, areas in the northern plains. Very bitter air. We're definitely going to have to keep our eyes on that forecast. We'll definitely be cold enough for it with an Arctic blast here next week. Monday and Tuesday, bitter cold temperatures, highs in the 20s. So if we see snow or any sort of precipitation on Monday and Tuesday, it's no question if it's going to be rain or snow. Our highs 25 degrees and our lows could be below 0. So we'll definitely keep our eyes on that forecast for you. And stay updated. Join us on the night team at 11 p.m. And if you have any further questions, we have a weather blog about this system up on WHS11.com, or feel free to reach out to me on Facebook.